Techiexpert. I am Alicia and today we are going to talk about the Internet of Things or IoT. So IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects and of people that are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. A thing in the Internet of Things can be a person with a heart monitor implant, a farm animal with a biochip transponder, an automobile that has built-in sensors to alert the driver when tire pressure is low, or any other natural or man-made object that can be assigned an Internet protocol IP address and is able to transfer data over a network. So, increasingly, organizations in a variety of industries are using IoT to operate more efficiently, better understand customers, deliver enhanced customer services, improve decision making, and increase the value of the business. How does IoT work? An IoT ecosystem consists of web-enabled smart devices that use embedded systems such as processors, sensors, and communication hardware to collect, send, and act on data they acquire from their environments. IoT devices share the sensor data they collect by connecting to an IoT gateway or other edge devices where data is either sent to the cloud to be analyzed or analyzed locally. Sometimes these devices communicate with other related devices and act on the information they get from one another. The devices do most of the work without human interventions, although people can interact with the devices, for instance, to set them up, give them instruction, or the access data. The connectivity, networking, and communication protocols used with these web-enabled devices largely depend on the specific IoT applications deployed. IoT can also make use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to aid in making data collecting processes easier and more dynamic. So, why is IoT so important? The Internet of Things help people live and work smarter as well as gain complete control over their lives. In addition to offering smart devices to automate homes, IoT is essential to businesses. IoT provides businesses with a real-time look into how their system really works, delivering insights into everything from the performance of machine to supply chain and logistics operations. IoT enables companies to automate processes and reduce labor costs. It also cuts down on waste and improves services delivery, making it less expensive to manufacture and deliver goods, as well as offering transparency into customer transactions. As such, IoT is one of the most important technologies of everyday life, and it will continue to pick up steam as more businesses realize the potential of connected devices to keep them competitive. So, there are some pros and cons of IoT. Some of the advantages of IoT include the following, like ability to access information from anywhere at any time on any devices, improved communication between connected electronic devices, transferring data packets over a connected network, saving time and money, and automating tasks, helping to improve the quality and the quantity of business services and reducing the need of human intervention. Now, some disadvantages of IoT include as the number of connected devices increase and more information is shared between the devices, the potential that a hacker could steal confidential information also increases. Enterprises may eventually have to deal with massive numbers, maybe even millions of IoT devices, and collecting and managing the data from all of those devices will be challenging. If there is a bug in the system, it's likely that every connected device will become corrupted, since there is no international standard of compatibility for IoT. It's difficult for devices from different manufacturers to communicate with each other. These are just few benefits and disadvantages of Internet of Things. It is evident that it opens a wide array of possibilities to enhance the quality of life in all aspects, but it is essential that we tap on the right spots to make this technology work the best for us. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Techiexpert. Also follow us on all the social media platforms to get all the latest updates of tech world. I am Alicia and thank you for watching.